Hello class. Today I will be sharing with you a new application we will be using for our percent unit, specifically markups, discounts, and sales tax using the percent equation that we have learned. You will need to create your own problem that you will have one of your characters solve. So first you're going to download the application called MakeBeliefsComix. You'll find that in the App Store. And once it's downloaded, we're going to click on Enter Here, right here at the bottom. From here, this is kind of your starting page. Off to the side, you have different options over here of what you can be doing, like starting over, deleting different objects, etc. At the top, this is where you're going to name your comic, and then you're going to put your name on the side. At the bottom over here, you'll see some of the different options that you have as to change the number of panels for your comic. So you could switch it to be 2 panels only, or you could change it to be 4 panels if you need a little bit longer. Another option that you have for the different panels is changing the background color. Notice how it only changes the color of the panel that you have highlighted. So let's say if I wanted the first one to be pink, but I wanted to end this to be blue, and anywhere from there in between. So that's one of your different options that you can change. You can also add different objects, talk bubbles, thought bubbles, or different characters. So let's say I wanted to go back to the front. You can slide through and change different characters. Oh, I like the dog. But then over here, you can also make him do different actions or have different moods. So if I wanted him to be angry, then I would maybe put him here. But what if I want him over here and I want him facing the other direction? I'm going to click on the flip, and then you tap on the item you want to flip and it changes the direction that it's facing. Okay, maybe I want to add a thought bubble. Again, each different object or thought bubble or character you choose has different options as well to change the emotion or what's happening in your scene. So maybe I want the thought bubble to be smaller, even smaller than that, or maybe large. Oh, that might be too large, but let's try to scale it. Over here, if I click on scale and I tap here, now it's on my thought bubble, I can go ahead and change the side and make it as large or as small as I want. Alright, I like that size, but now I'm going to move it, tap it again, and then we're going to move it around. Now finally it's in a spot that I like, so I'm going to go ahead and tap in the thought bubble, and I can type what I want it to say. Hi. Alright, so that's adding characters, adding thought bubbles. Maybe in this one I want to select a different background. Oh, cool. Alright, let's change it up. Oh, okay. Here's some other options that we have. Maybe I wanted a backyard scene. Now for mine that really wouldn't make sense. They're not really cohesive with what's going on now, but I'm just showing you different things that you can add. Notice here you can add different panel props. That one's the next day, suddenly, to be continued. Maybe I want that there. If I don't like something, I'm going to go over off to the side again on the left. That's kind of your home base. I'm going to click delete and tap on what I want to be deleted. I didn't want that panel prompt, so I got rid of it. And so this app has a lot of different personalizations and different settings that you can change and make it your own. Okay, this is your time to get creative and have as much fun with it as you want. Notice all the different characters you can have. Just make sure one of your characters has to be solving your percent equation problem.